A window is the eyes of a home. A door is the entrance to the world. HUMYA is not only the Sherpas of living space, we are also the builders of green human settlement ecology. Starting from Foshan, Guangdong, China, HUMYA takes true systems and safety as its mission. HUMYA Doors and Windows is affiliated to HUMYA Aluminum Technology Company, integrates R&D, manufacturing and services, builds systems of products. Sunroom, sliding system, casement system, folding system, panoramic doors, panoramic windows and other full matrix products. From brand to R&D, from manufacturing to empowerment, HUMYA builds a full-link platform for the doors and windows industry. 7 centers drive synergistically. 1 brand strategy center, 2 revolutions and D centers, 3 intelligent manufacturing center, 4 global supply chain centers, 5 new media matrix center, 6 empowerment training center, 7 talent incubation center. In the future, we will expand global R&D bases and intelligent logistics networks to build a door and window ecosystem. From Foshan to the whole country, HUMYA breaks boundaries with regionalization strategy. 50 branch factories went deep into various provinces, cut off the middle links, regional production, bringing good doors and windows closer to consumers, quick response, fast delivery, zero loss logistics, lifelong service. With high cost performance, quality life is within reach. 50 smart factories, 1,500 quality stores. This is HUMYA's confidence today. In the future, HUMYA will build 100 marketing centers, 100 branch factories with deep coverage, 5,000 mid-range stores, 10 overseas bases are deployed globally. We'll let Chinese system doors and windows go to the world. HUMYA has won many industry honors such as the National High-Tech Enterprise, the new first-line door and window brand, the top 10 door and window brands in China, the National High-Tech Energy-Saving Products, the Executive Vice President Unit of the Guangdong Door and Window Industry, and more than 200 other honors. Changsha Exhibition, Chengdu Exhibition, Nanjing Exhibition, Changsha Torch Planning, Quanzhou Wealth Summit, Lanzhou Owners Meeting, Qingdao Wealth Summit, Foshan Wealth Summit, etc. 25 core technologies, 35 national patents. HUMYA uses extreme craftsmanship. From material selection to production. Low-carbon manufacturing throughout the process. Every window is the guardian of green buildings. Every door is a witness to quality life. Let people use high-quality and reasonably priced doors and windows. This is HUMYA's mission. This window will connect more families. This door will open up unlimited possibilities. HUMYA Doors and Windows. Let people use real systems and safer doors and windows.